one. I'm gonna bounce here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good morning. I don't got enough screens. Oh, I do, but I don't, right? All right. Let's see what we get out of this here. They've been buying this on the way down, just so you're aware. We got 25.87 total negative delta. You can't deny that you short below the market shift line here. We get back above that, you can see the longs come back in. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are coming up on the overnight low here. We're putting in new lows now. What a dump. So we did. We ran up here. We grabbed this lower high, and now we're making that lower low. This is that stupid pullback I told you I thought we might end up in. This would sweep that high yesterday, and now here we are. Coming back into this bottom. I don't know if we get this one. It's possible. We're still going to have some kind of pullback here before we get it. This is a 4 hour. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is a 4 hour time frame. So if you go back and look at the daily from yesterday, right? It closed with the pin bar. So are we just pulling back to grab liquidity to go up one more time? Are we going to stay range bound? This is 4 days we've been in here. Going on 5 days now. $2,800 negative on the delta. We didn't have any news this morning. Let me look at Financial Juice. Did they say anything bad or something? I mean, this is selling off rather quickly. Okay, stocks fell as Alphabet's earnings renewed concerns over rising AI spending. Oil pushes higher prices, push bond yields upward. That's probably why. Yeah, I don't see it. President China issues security reminder to citizens in Saudi Arabia. I don't see anything here crazy. Oh, so anyways, I don't see anything. Maybe just another corrective move, or this is the beginning of our sell-off. We have 3 lows to continue with, and we're right with one right now. So, see if we get a bounce out of here, make some money off the open, and that's it. Or are they just gonna sweep it all? This is crazy. Good morning, guys. Well, let's go ahead and see what we got here on the bigger time frame. Let's look at it. So we finally came down and got this box. Here's your swing right here. That's our swing. We pull our fibs from here to here. Get you to this one. We'll just move this box over here. Oh no, this is that gap fill box. Alright, now yes, that's what we're doing. Hold on a second. That's what the market's doing. The market opened up here and went straight up, never came back, right? No, it came back here. Okay, the market opened up here and never came back, right? All right, so we're filling this gap, guys. They're finally going to fill this gap from a couple days ago. We'll see what they do, right? This was the other day. They got down here and then they took off to the upside. We're down in that gap now. They're filling that gap. So that's the first swing. This would be the second swing. Maybe they continue this, right? Maybe they continue this. And then this is the next swing here, which we bounced off. Now this is the next swing here, if they go lower, which they probably do because they want to sweep this whole area. What we need to see is we need to see the ask and the bid. We need to see them get absorbed. We need to see the sellers being absorbed. But if we count it, let's change the color. This is the first one here. That's one. We pull back. That's two. We pull back. That's three. And then now we're in the fourth wave. This might be the turnaround. This can be the turnaround area where the market goes back up. We'll just have to see how this pans out. This is insane. No, I don't want to short the bottom. That'd be ludicrous, right? Unless you're 100% sure it's going to keep going. We could see it stop in this area right here. I mean, that's a good amount of money, don't get me wrong, but you're shorting the very bottom. Why is this doing that? All right, here we go. All right. Well, let's see what we get, guys. You should be able to. And can you guys see my chart? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Getting a lot of rejections down here in this area. You guys can see all these wicks down here. I'm going to go ahead and mark up this last 4-hour low here. That white line is a 4-hour. I'll change it here. I don't know. Let's make it an off color. Let's make it blue. Make it a little wider so I know it's a 4-hour. What I don't want to do is give back the profits that I've made this week, like I did last week, right? I've made back $1,000 of that profits I lost last week. I don't want to, give that back up. So no dumb trades today. I think we bounce here. I mean, you even have a high low here, high low. So 50%. We can see the rejections coming in on these wicks. Not that they can't just rip this up and then bring it right back down. They can. The momentum is pretty strong to the downside. If you look at the indicator, you can see the stair stepping down. Right? You had 1, 2 stair steps up. That's an inside swing for a pullback into this high for rejection. We'll sit tight. inside move here. Micro. See if they sweep this low. There's the sweep. I'm going to give it a few minutes after the open, guys. I'm not going to hit this real hard right at the open. With this big sell-off, I mean, there's going to be some bounces here. I don't know. We sold off enough that this market could just slam right back up. It did it yesterday, right? Yep, buyers in this candle here. There it goes. Market shift line down. Are they going to start buying this back? I think this is a bounce. We're going to come lower. Insane. That's the last high, guys, right? That's the last high. So even if we get it, we get this bounce. I mean, with this, the inside swing, we'll see. After it hits here, we'll see what it does. If it can even do it. All right, here we go. Market's open. Another sweep of the low would be good. Big old gap down. $300 sellers in this account, in this candle so far. 378. 400. I don't like this entry for the bear unless you like it. If you're a bear and you're on the short, that's a trade, right? I'm really looking for the long here. If they put in the low here, this can go back up, guys. Right? There's the long. See if we get through this resistant area here. So you got a 50-50 zone right here. Probably get target 1 and 2 on the buy.
Order submit.
I'm gonna try it and see if it can do it. You got buyers showing up.
Target filled.
I'm out of 1. Whoops, Dan. Stop is in profit here. I'll probably get taken out of the second trade here. 2, 1. Yeah, they got me out here. I don't trust this, guys. Like, this is a C phase between the high and the low. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. We can come all the way back up to here, or we could stop right in here and then sell off again. That inside swing to this box was, you know, pretty good. Some of the tech stocks are selling off. Google's coming down. Tesla's selling off. This is a big gap down, though, so price needs to go back up. And see if they can whip it down here again. Is this a gap down continuation today or gap down back up? Alright, ES is pumping back up. RTY is pumping back up. RTY is getting a change of direction right now. Now this Nasdaq's going to pump up out of here. There's TP1 on the buy side. Still a C phase here, so we need to be careful. Still a C phase off this high and low. This low, though, swept the above 4 hour side, so it doesn't have to come back down here if it doesn't want to. Yeah, absolutely. Crazy gap down. So if we draw a trend line here, guys, we're now just breaking that momentum move to the downside. We're starting to break through it now. We need to see it continue. A retest of this and a pump out of here. It'd be nice to break this A structure, right? If they could break the A structure and then retest, then we'll get that for sure. Buy it, you know, the buy on that. But right now, it's not looking that way. POC just shifted down. Let me grab POC. POC just shifted down to 25,750. Looks like we're going to take out the high here. There's another buy here if you want it. Stop's going to be below this low, though. They're going to take out this high.
Come on, TP1.
Did you take the trade? You took that one too? All right, cool.
Oh, sure did.
Yes, sir. How'd that work last night for you?
I overslept. Sorry.
Oh, man.
You had me on too long, man.
All right, we're right into the A structure, guys. We may be able to pull back into that 875 area. If we can pull back into 875, right, break through here, close, and then come back down into this area, maybe we get in this, right?
TD just about.
What do you mean by A structure, John? We're going into the A structure.
What's that?
What do you mean by we're going into A structure?
I still didn't hear you, Daniel. What was that?
Well, I said you said earlier we're going into A structure. What does that mean?
Oh, the A. You know what the A structure is. That's the A. That's the B. We're pulling back into C to go lower.
Oh, right, okay. I'm with it.
We just closed higher, though, so this play to go to the downside probably doesn't happen. This will pull back and catch a C here, and we'll go long. I need some kind of pullback into POC or into the C phase of, this 750 to 720 area to go long. If I don't get it and this just pops through, I mean, buyers are back in control. Still running a negative 2200 delta, so that's a big number for the sellers. What's that?
Target build. Target build. Target build. Connection lost.
So now I'd be looking for, this was a gap fill from the other day. But if this wants to go short, or I mean long, this should pull back into this area right here. And if it wants to go long, we'll get our target here of right here. We'll get our target up to here. 880 to 900 here. Doesn't look like we're getting our pullback, guys. That's going to suck that it doesn't pull back for me. I'm going to try this long here, guys, to see if this thing can pump up through here. I really wanted to pull back, but come on, get up into this next structure. Got buyers showing up here is what I liked about it, but I don't know if they'll hold this. Here it comes. Let's see if they can get a turkey. 245 buyers. We just doubled the number from the previous 5-minute bar. Can we get a break and a... Come on. Come on. 17, 18. And we're in profits here. Man, I tell you what, this is tough. Come on, rat bag. 200, 300 buyers. There we go. All right, there's the turkey. Stacked in buyers. Stacked in buyers right here. Let's see. Can they pump it up higher? Hey, I'm happy. I'm almost at 200 bucks. I'm good with it. Here we go.
Stop some profit, baby.
Yep. Stops in profit here now. $600 buyers in this candle. We may even get a harder pump than just this. No, come on, hit that target, baby. We'll be at target for the day. Can we get to 140 here? 40 seconds to do it.
Go.
We're losing some buyers here.
I'm out.
Order filled.
385 on that one thing, and target just hit.
Here we go. There's target. 20 seconds. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'll take that $100 there.
I just hit 407 on M&Q.
Nice.
The system's nice, guy. $50 more bucks, I'm done. I can't go over 450.
Yeah, or you just say we're in a spot where you don't want to risk it and walk away with your profits today and come back tomorrow.
Heck yeah.
Nvidia, the stock is red. Tesla pushed down. Google pushed down. May get a need to see some kind of pullback and retest of this gray zone here. Just saying. Counter trend trade here for 2 contracts. This is the panic sell here.
Order submitted.
I'm going to take this short scalp, guys, see if we can pull this back down. If they can flush this, we got some sellers coming in. If they're holding here, this is one more bump to the upside. I was going to DCA that and decided not to. Let's see if they can push through this line. They break this low right here. They sweep it. Boom. They swept it. I was just getting ready to close it. Oh, that was stupidity. Come on, baby. That's a sweep of the low, guys. This candle can flip back up. $16 seconds. It's going to flip back up, isn't it? Come on, chase it down again. Chase it down again. Come on, whack 'em. Come on. This might go back up, guys. I'm going to jump out of this right here.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
I don't like the way this is looking. This is probably going to go up one more time. I still think we can get those 2 targets though. What I don't like, so we just picked up, oh, there they come in now. 1,700 sellers in that down bar, guys. 1,700. We're right back at POC. POC just shifted up. This is what I was looking at. 28,810. This is going to add some weight to it. It's going to get heavy. Now, are we going to... We broke the A phase of the short. This was the true A phase of the short here. Right here. That was... And we should have held here to go further down. We broke the A phase. Okay, we broke the A phase. So now we have an A... We have a B and we're pulling back into C. We should start to move back to the upside. We need to see a higher low here. Man, that short was good, guys. I read the market. I just didn't stay in it. As they say, that could have been a little dangerous, right? But when you know what's going on, you trade what you see. Here we go. Getting really heavy, guys. We're back to 3,800 negative delta. Can they turn this around right here, or are they just going to dump it? Did anybody take the sell signal here? You're hitting target 1 right now. The indicator I built, guys, has been almost 100% on, which is crazy. Actually, TP1 and 1 on both cells got hit, and that's a double pattern telling you that it's heavy. We're in a C phase. We're just in my box. Remember I was talking about I wanted to come down into this box to go long. We're in the box. We are in the box. This was the first inside swing it hit. This was the gap down from 3 days ago. Let's see. Got the market shifted up. Are we going to trade away from it, or are we going to trade below it? Now we could see this go into an inside swing where they suck buyers in and they stop. And then we get this move, right? But the delta is pretty heavy, 38.81. Everything they bought here, right here, they just sold back in that little move. We'll see who's going to do the absorbing here. I'm not buying this, no. This could be internal volume too for these guys that came in and coming straight back down. That's an option trade right there, right? So we know this. Are you a bull or bear today? 864 in this candle. We just tripled everything they sold between the last two 5-minute bars. It's hard to buy this, guys. Not that it won't work. It's just hard to buy it. And it's hard to short it knowing you're in a C phase for long. And that the price should bounce no matter what. It should come back up to here. We can see this break through and then come back up. But if you get back above this level, you can see the market start to go back up. So it's real tricky right here. It's tricky, 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 tricky. We start to see the buyers come in here. We'll see. We'll know what's up. Pocket shift down 28,750. So they keep rebalancing. So let's see what they do here. This is gonna, huh?
We just took out yesterday and Monday's low on the daily.
Yeah, this was the gap down on Monday. That's what this big box is. Look at that bounce, guys. I said we were going to bounce here. You got to figure out if you're going to be a bull or a bear. Now, if this doesn't stop here for a C to go further short, this gets bid out and we go. 5,000 contracts on the buy side, 5,500 on the sell side, leaving a difference of 480 selling contracts right now on this pump up. Not what I want to see for a long. So ideally, they push this into this 60 level right here. 60, 70. Right in here. They push this right into here. And then this will dictate. There's the buy signal if you like the bulls, guys. There's the long if you like the bulls.
I'm already in it.
Nice. So now you're in a CC phase. This is where you have to be careful. C for the long, C for the short. Okay? You're looking, if you're a bull, you're looking for that move right there. If you're a bear, you're looking for this move right here. Okay? Just saying. This is going to dictate what happens right here. Be careful. Where does it go if it goes long? Okay, if it goes long, I'll give you a target. Here. That's your target. Back up into this white line. Where does it go if it goes short? Well, you have an inside swing to take out the low, and then it's going to bounce again. So this would be it right here. How do I know this? So we come down into this box that I already have marked up. That's a double fib, actually, to the downside. So now you're going to probably go into a little bit of chop here, right? But ideally, I think we got this short coming in. Not to be against Q, but Delta and everything that I'm seeing is still on the short side on order flow. I think we're going to get a little chopped up here. They're going to do a little bit of engineered liquidity. Tesla's down at 326 already. I like this short. I must say it. See if they bounce out of here. You're in this big buy candle in the 5-minute time frame. We'll see what this does when it gets to the zero line here. There's a short if you're a bear on the signal. I'm in the short. Let's see if this momentum will increase. Come on. I got in late on that, guys. Can they sweep this low? Can they come after this low down here? Are they going to stop on this shelf? Elf on the shelf. Are they going to stop here? We're bouncing off of it. Come on. We got a little bit of buying pressure. And the chop begins, guys. And the chop begins. Come on. Got right back to our entry again. Just flush that last candle here. The VIX is starting to get bought, guys. Do the bulls come back in and take it out? Buyers are showing back up again, guys. Are you a bull or bear here? Getting chopped up a little bit.
Order submitted. Order
Right, DCA'd.
filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
There we go.
Target filled. Order filled.
Oh, what happened? I actually
Order
hit the
canceled.
wrong button, guys. I'm at 273. I still like the short though. I really do. I really do. I'm gonna go back in on one.
Order submitted.
We'll see if they can do this. I lightened up my risk. If I can take out this low at the bottom of the low here, that's another $100 in the account. I'm right at target. Now this line is starting to look more like this here. I may not get this. Come on, just flush it down. Got 190 sellers in here. We're not doing nothing with it. So in my eyes, yeah, if they're going to do an inversion, they sweep it and then they get it, right? We're in this swing. Here's another leg, right? Not that they can't pump it back up to here, but if they pump it up to here, ideally it goes. So I'm looking for the sweep of this low. We are paused here. I don't like this, right? I don't like this. Micron's starting to pump to the upside. Alright, I might get out of this, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm not liking this. Watch it drop. Yeah, we got a little long, probably back up into the 800 bucks here. All right, we just came back up to the zero line, got some momentum. We got buyers matching. I just don't think, this can roll right back down, guys. There's the long. All right, I'm in the long here,
Order
guys.
submitted.
I'm going to give it a whirl and see. Can we get up in here? Can we get them? Now they trap the bears or they trapping the longs. And we didn't close the back above. I'm getting chopped up here. I'm getting chopped up. Now we got a shift in the market. Come on, just pump it. Come on, pump it up. We're getting rejection here. Come on, baby. They're trying so hard. My Bears got taken out here, and now I'm on the bull side, and it looks like the Bulls are getting trapped in this now, too. This is what I was talking about. We're going to go on this engineered liquidity zone. Let's see if we can get a pop out of this. There it goes. Can we get it? Can you finish it, young man? Let's go. Nope. This could be a hard sweep down to this low, guys.
Order filled.
This could be a hard sweep here. Yep, it's going to go. I'm out.
Order filled.
Guys, this is what I was looking for, right? This was the big sweep here.
Order submitted.
A minute. Let's see if they can
Order
sweep it
filled.
all.
Target filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
There it comes. Boom, let's go.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm in one. They swept the lows, but they didn't take them out yet. Now the buyers can really come in if they want to here. I'm out of this one.
Order filled.
Let me sit tight here. This is a lot of shit here, right here, guys. I still think it goes to the downside. It's really heavy. There's freaking engineered liquidity here. A lot of fake out trades here. Oversold. I don't know about that, Miguel. Maybe it is. This is they're still holding the C phase. You see what you guys see my box here? We're getting rejection. We're holding my box. This is a C phase still for a long. But so far they're not showing the long hand. They're showing a short hand out of this box, and everybody's buying it. I think we take out the low of the session. But we'll see. Probably should have quit trading when I was way up. It's the way it always goes. Trying to get a little bit more money out of this. This candle should have broke down. And they held it. Now this candle should break structure and go, and it's not. You a bull or bear? You're a bull. We got this little high right here coming back up too.
Order filled.
I'm in. See if they can do it. I'm going to catch it, so. Can we get above the market shift line? Nope. Rejection. I don't like it, guys. This has got short written all over it. See if we can pump up into that box. Are we going to run that previous 5-minute bar? Or are we going to just hold it? We're holding it. Not what I want to see, guys.
This is just a big chop fest, isn't it?
Yeah, I said it was going to turn into it. I I'm out.
Order filled.
That's too much for me. I'm in the shorts now, though.
Order submitted.
Give me my money. Come and take it. Oh, I hit it too many times. Come on, baby. Let's flush it. Flush it.
Order submitted.
This is ridiculous. Come on. Flush it. Lots of sellers coming in and we can't get down. I should have bought the flush.
Order filled.
Alright, guys. Well, this sucks for me. They cannot take out this low, and they're going to get it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Come on.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Flush it down. Do not run me out of here again. Flush it. Wow. You guys see this? Like, what is so big about this freaking level other than it was the gap down level? We've already swept it. Come and get this low. What am I missing here? Come and take this low right here, buddy. I should be buying this, not selling it here. Sweep it. Oh, we got some news coming out about Iran. Are they going to dog me out again? This is flipping crazy, man. Drop it. big red on the delta. No, they're trying to absorb them, but banks, I don't think they want to buy right here. They want to buy that low again. Maybe they don't. Maybe they want to buy right here, this higher low. We are holding this for that long, guys. They are trying to hold this for this long. They're trying to hold it. They're squeezing everybody to the tip of this thing out. This is some bullshit right here, man. This is what I was trying to get out of. I was trying not to trade this chop. I knew at 8 o'clock at the close of the bar we were going to chop. We're putting in a wick to the downside. That wick still hasn't broke the previous low, though. Very indecisive market right here. This may be squeezing the shorts to go back long, but all the big techs are down. Semis are holding up. Semiconductors are holding the market up. Give me a big candle to the downside. Come on. Insane, man. Insane. Still holding 4,600 negative delta. God, you guys want to talk about a squeeze here? This is a major squeeze. This is either going to get an inversion candle, pop straight up, or one straight down. There, you got some buyers coming in, 100 buyers. Yeah, this is not what I want to see, guys. It's amazing that 200 contracts move the price this high. Can they get a bar straight down, or is it going to pump up?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
DC8 up here, half of the candle. Probably not up high enough. Yeah, not what I want to see, guys. We're getting this inversion. It's finally starting to show. I don't want to see any higher than that. Let's see right here. Right here's the rejection line. This candle's going to tell us. Market shift is right there. Right back down to it. Come on. 4 contracts here. Sweep it. Are they going to expand this off of this bar to the upside? Come on, get me out of this flipping trade already. Market shifts down. That's not good, guys. We start trading away from the market shift. All right, cool. I was sweating balls, guys. I was sweating here. Let's see if they got enough on this to rip it now. This is a sweep of this low. Good grief, man. All that, and I only got $310 out of that move. I'm at target, though. 276. 273, 276 after fees. Holy crap. After going $3,000 in the hole. That was just, I mean, when you got to play the range. Guys, that's why I don't like trading after this 4-hour bar. This is exactly why I don't like trading after the 4-hour to close. Am I going to get taken out? I might as well just take off half
Order
here.
filled. Order canceled.
All right, took off half. I'll put in a bracket order.
Submitted.
Stops in profit. I get taken out, I'm done. I'm not trading this chop anymore. This is absolutely, this got a chance to go long. I like the long, but we're so heavy on the sell side. I just don't see the long going, and if it does, it's going to get rejected a lot before it gets through there. If we could sweep the low, right? If we could take out this low right here, this would be a better scenario for the long. Just come down and wick it and then pull back up and close. That would be your long. But we're so heavy on the sell side that, man, you know. This 4-hour gotcha right here. Here it comes. That was a wick to the upside, guys, on the 4-hour. Pay attention. That was a wick to the upside on the 4-hour. Are they going to continue to flush this down? That's what it's looking like. We didn't put that wick to the downside yet. So, I mean, we got to get a wick to the downside to go back up, in my eyes. And I think they want to get down into the bottom of that previous 4-hour bar. But maybe they don't. Maybe I'm wrong. If it breaks, it's going to come down real hard. Oh, man, if I would have held all those contracts from up there, this would be like a $5,000 trade. I just did it to get out of it, get in it so I can go back into normal risk. Come on, baby. Flush it down. Yep. We got inverted here. Here it comes. They may want to push it right up into this top again. This is the gap fill from 3 days ago or 4 days ago. Yeah. And they're trying to hold that gap fill. We're getting rejections, right? We're getting rejections. But you're also getting rejections here, and the market is more heavy than it is on the long side. The delta is sitting at 45.55. 4,555 contracts on the sell side telling you market's still heavy. We gotta. Are they absorbing those market? They could be here, and they should push this price higher. It could happen. It could. So trade this as you see fit, guys. I think if they want to take it long, if I was a bank, I want to buy down here. I mean, they already bought here. They're buying and adding here. But are they really adding here, or are they sucking everybody in and out? Because that's what we're seeing. We're seeing them suck everybody in and out. So take profits where you see fit. If you're an option buyer, I'd be buying options now for the long. All right, I'm going to take profits here, guys. I'm out. Let's see what they can do here. See if these buyers really come in. I've seen them try to break this 2, 3, 4 times. Guys selling here and here and here, right? Taking profits. Guys buying here, buying here, buying here. What do we have above this? Stop losses. What are they? Buy side. What do we have down here? Stop losses. What are those? Right? For buyers, these are sell side. So whichever way it goes, we will probably get a big hard snap to one side or the other. $624 buyers, 674 sellers in this candle so far, with a negative 59 difference between them. This is what I was saying. I haven't seen anything heavy come on the buy side. 3 5-minute bars back was 185. We got some buyers showing up now. Let's see if they can sweep them. Back in the pocket, point of control, back into the market shift. You know, I might want to just keep this money and walk away. 273, 274 on the day. It's been a, you know, it was great trading right at the beginning, but then it turned into a struggle. Here comes the flush. 158. Every time they set it up, they don't do nothing. I think it flushed the bottom here, guys. Everybody's buying that. Everybody wants to be long. You guys look at this. They're really squeezing everybody here. Here goes my short. I closed it out, but here comes the short. It's going to punch down. We take out this low. we come to the next one. Here it comes. Super heavy, guys. Super heavy. You want to buy, this is where you want to start buying them, down here. Here it comes. We're going to sweep the next low. I hate it when I'm right and I take myself out of the trade. Down here's where they want to buy them, guys. You don't want to short this now. Up here where we were shorting is where we want to take it. Alright, we just broke 5,000 negative on the delta. Boom, there's the sweep of the low. TP1 and hit. TP1 and 2 hit off of that sell side and the next sell side liquidity. Insane. That's a sweep of the low. This should pop the high. I'm going to take this right here.
Order filled.
Are they going to continue short, guys?
Target filled.
There's one. Can I get a punch up for these two and I'm done trading today? Can you so kindly just come up? Take $10 here. I'll take 10. You can give it to me.
Target filled.
Thank you. Now I'll take that 105 and be done. Nope. Maybe a hard sweep here again.
Order filled.
Come on, flush right up into 65 and I'm out. Got him. Alright guys, I'm done after I hit this target right here. Alright, I'm done. I'm walking away with $276 today. Not very much money, but you know what? I will take it, okay? I will take it. 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 Considering how we got that long, we played the short, everything was here, but then I said this was going to happen. We were going to turn into a choppy mess right after the 4-hour bar close just because of the way all the tech stocks are playing this game. So if you took the buy and sell, of course, you made money on every trade. Every trade on the buy-sell worked. And this oversold, I think we got to sweep down and find more buyers in order to get the market back up. So I don't know that it's oversold. I don't like that word because I don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But all right, guys, I'm going to jump off. I hope everybody has a blessed day. I'm staying green today. I'm walking away. I will see everybody. Last night we got hit with a storm. I was going to trade last night, but I'm glad I didn't because I was looking for that bull move and it went to the downside. But if we go back to the open, that bull move came in first. And this is what I was wanting based off of the Aussie news right here. That was the trade. We already knew that this was the swing down. This would have been a pullback in order to go further down if it was going to hold. So that was the overnight low. That was yesterday's high. So this was the move I was looking for at the open after it pushed down and flushed out this bottom. It pushed up. So we went into that big rainstorm with hail and everything else. It was just crazy. Here's another long coming in. You're going to get a buy signal here. if this is real, you're going to get it down, right? But right now, this is saying this is real. Here it is one more
Order
time.
filled.
Can we get through here?
Target filled.
Boom. Come on. One more rip. One more rip. Take out this wick. That's it. Come on. Yeah, they just got me sucked in here. Now I'm losing $100 on that. This is another squeeze. If this ain't a squeeze, guys, this goes lower. What are they doing? 470 in this candle. We're not pumping through. They got to at least come up to this wick or this wick. We got them here. Let's see. Oh, they don't have to do anything. They could just open up and sell off right here.
Order filled.
I added to it on that pullback. Oh yeah, I'm out now.
Target filled.
All right, I'm good. I'm over $300. All right, guys, I'm done. This is going to push up and hit this target. We're targeting this wick right here. We're playing their game, right? This is where your liquidity sits. These two wicks. Between this eye and this eye, this is where your liquidity sits. I'll even adjust it down. The liquidity is sitting right there. But you also got this counter trend line we're trying to get through. It's going to go. I'm out of here, guys. I'm taking this money and I'm running. I'm not giving it back. I said I wasn't going to, and I'm not. I will see everybody later, guys. Have a blessed day. If you're trading, be very careful. This market's heavy on the delta to the sell side. They're trying to absorb this and run this market back up. If the tech stocks get a jump on this and start going back up, you better believe the market's going to get bought back up. ES is trying to go. ES has got to get above 7,471 to be long, and NASDAQ's got to break 28,810 and hold it. So 28,810. We got to get above that and hold it, and then you can see the longs come in. So maybe you get a 1,000-point move to the upside or 800-point move to the upside off of this gap down. But it's going to be a choppy stair-step, move up. So give yourself room to trade. I'm done. All right, guys. With that being said, I'll see everybody on tomorrow morning. You guys have a blessed day, guys. All right, YouTube, as always, we are green today. Not as always, but as always, it's been fun trading. The market's choppy right now. I am going to walk away with $273 trading micros. And I went up higher than that and gave some money back. Lost a couple trades, won a bunch more. But back, needless to say, we are back in the green. And I'm going to walk away with this money right here. I am not going to give them an opportunity to take it back. So tomorrow's another day. I will see you guys blessed. As always, if you like our content, please hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the morning. Have a blessed day.